Cerro Negro is the youngest volcano in the Central American Isthmus, located in the city of León, Nicaragua, where you will find Tierra Tour offices that will provide information about visiting this little giant that is part of the volcanic chain of Los Maribios. Tierra Tour will provide all the equipment to descend. If you do not have experience in this type of activity, the Tierra Tour guides will provide techniques for you to enjoy your ride safely. The Cerro Negro volcano rises to 728 meters above sea level, and its surface is made out of rock and black sand. 23 eruptions have been recorded since its discovery in the year 1850, and its last eruption in 1999 caused the emergence of 3 new craters around it. Tierra Tour offers 2 travel schedules to visit Cerro Negro, one at 8 o'clock in the morning and another at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Each have a duration of 5 hours. Come to Tierra Tour and enjoy a totally different volcanic cruise.